Casement windows have become an increasingly popular choice among homeowners in Conway, and for good reason. Beyond their clean, modern appearance, these windows are especially effective at improving indoor ventilation, something that plays a crucial role in maintaining comfort, air quality, and energy efficiency throughout the year. Unlike traditional double-hung or sliding windows, casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward like a door. This simple design difference has a significant impact on how air flows into a home. Because the entire window panel opens fully, casement windows allow for maximum ventilation. In contrast, other window styles often only open halfway, limiting the amount of fresh air that can enter. One of the biggest advantages of casement windows in Conway residences is their ability to catch and direct breezes. When positioned correctly, these windows act almost like a funnel, guiding outdoor air directly into the home. This is especially beneficial during Conway's warmer months, when homeowners want to rely less on air conditioning and more on natural airflow. By strategically placing casement windows to face prevailing winds, you can create a steady cross breeze that keeps interiors cool and comfortable. Improved ventilation also contributes to healthier indoor air quality. Everyday activities like cooking, cleaning, and even breathing can introduce moisture and pollutants into the air. Without proper ventilation, these elements can build up, leading to stale air and potential issues like mold or mildew. Casement windows make it easy to refresh indoor spaces quickly, allowing fresh air to circulate and push out unwanted humidity and contaminants. Kitchens and bathrooms, in particular, benefit from casement window installations. These areas often require immediate ventilation to remove excess moisture and odors. Because casement windows are easy to open fully with a simple crank mechanism, they provide quick and efficient airflow exactly when it's needed. This convenience encourages homeowners to use them more frequently, further enhancing indoor comfort. Another customer-focused benefit is the level of control casement windows offer. The crank system allows homeowners to adjust how far the window opens, giving them the ability to fine-tune airflow based on weather conditions. Whether you want a gentle breeze or a strong gust of fresh air, casement windows provide flexibility that many other window types simply can't match. Energy efficiency is another area where improved ventilation plays a role. When homes are properly ventilated, there is less reliance on HVAC systems to maintain comfortable temperatures. During mild seasons in Conway, homeowners can open their casement windows and enjoy natural cooling instead of running the air conditioner. Over time, this can lead to noticeable savings on energy bills while also reducing environmental impact. Casement windows also seal tightly when closed, which helps maintain indoor comfort when ventilation isn't needed. Their design typically includes a strong seal that prevents drafts and air leaks, ensuring that conditioned air stays inside during colder months. This combination of excellent ventilation when open and strong insulation when closed makes casement windows a practical year-round solution. In addition to their functional benefits, casement windows enhance the overall living experience. Fresh air can make a home feel more inviting, reduce stuffiness, and even improve mood and productivity. In a place like Conway, where residents value comfort and livability, this added quality of life is an important consideration. For homeowners looking to upgrade their windows, casement styles offer a smart, customer-focused solution. They not only improve airflow and indoor air quality but also contribute to energy savings and everyday comfort. With their ability to maximize ventilation and adapt to different needs, casement windows are a worthwhile investment for any Conway residents aiming for a healthier, more enjoyable living environment.